69-year-old Tayyip Erdogan has been president of Turkey for 2 decades and overcame the nation's worst economic crisis in his tenure. He also faced the most powerful alliance against him and his party during the elections. Tayyip Erdogan once again becomes the president of Turkey and won by 52% majority in the elections. He appealed for national unity after winning the election. He will be retaining the seat until 2028. He led a crowd of fans in celebratory song in front of his palace in Ankara.
Duymayanlara, soranlara, sormayanlara, biz onu seviyoruz, çok seviyoruz, seviyoruz, seviyoruz. İstanbul'u çok seviyoruz. İstanbul'a aşığız. İstanbul'la yola çıktık. İstanbul'la yola devam ediyoruz.